Today we will learn phonics. First we will know about short vowel sounds. Do you know what vowels are? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. When these letters make a short sound, we say short vowel sounds. A makes the sound A, as in apple, ant, A. E makes the sound E, as in elephant, envelope, E. I makes the sound E, as in igloo, ink pot, I. O makes the sound O, as in ostrich, orange, O. U makes the sound as in umbrella, umpire, U. These are the beginning sounds. We'll now see these sounds in the middle of the words. We will start with the short vowel sound of A. First, we'll do the ap sound. A, P. Together make app. Let us see some words having ap sound. K, app, cap. T, app, tap. G, app, gap. M, app, map. L, app, lap. N, app, nap. Next is am sound words. A and m together make am sound. Let us see some words having am sound. J, am, jam. H, am, ham. D, am, dam. R, am, ram. Now children, we'll do add sound words. A and D together is add. Let's see some words having add sound. B, add, bad. S, add, sad. D, add, dad. P, add, pad. Now we'll do add sound words. A and T together is at. Let us see some words having at sound. K, at, cat. M, at, mat. H, at, hat. F, at, fat. R, at, rat. B, at, bat. S, at, sat. P, at, pat. Now we'll do and sound words. A and n together make an. Let's see some words having an sound. K, an, can. F, an, fan. M, an, man. P, an, pan. R, an, ran. T, an, tan. Now children, we will do ag sound words. A and g together make ag. Let us see some words having ag sound. B, ag, bag. R, ag, rag. T, ag, tag. V, ag, wag. Now we'll do ab sound words. A and b together make ab. Let's see some words having ab sound. K, ab, cab. L, ab, lab. Now children, read the following sentences. Pat has a bag. A fat cat sat on a mat. So vowel A makes the sound A. The man has a cap. I hope you all must have understood the short vowel sound A. We will be doing short vowel sound E in my next video too on phonics. Your subscription, likes and shares are always welcome. Bye bye. Take care and